Okay, for beginning, I just go with the introduction of keyboard.
Yes, sir.
So I must explain you what we will do. Do you play chords?
No, sir, not yet.
No, he is talking.
See. We do learn this. First of all, we must know that the one keyboard is divided into three parts. First of all, that is lower, middle, and higher octave. You must be knowing the lower, middle, and higher octave.
Yes, sir.
Fine. And we know that this is middle octave. In middle octave, we all familiar with this Hindi notes also, Indian notes also, and English notes also, Western notes also. So how we make a major chord with the combination of these three keys, basically. Which chords you play? All of the chords, all major and minors.
Sir, chords has not been taught yet, sir.
Okay. Chords and scales, might be scales have
No,
not
sir.
been taught.
No, sir.
Scales and chords you are not familiar with.
No,
Are
sir.
not being taught. Fine.
No, sir.
So other than your finger practices, you were already done that finger practices. We will go to the chord practices.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So
Yes, sir.
mainly two kinds of chords we have to follow. Those are major and minors. First of all, wait a moment. I will just explain you that what are chords actually. We use these three notes. The difference between the notes is C to D is one tone, then E to D2 is one tone, fine. Then E to F is one semitone or half tone. This is semitone. And E to F to G is tone once again. Then how a major chord is built, that is two tone plus 1.5 tone. So we have to go with the explanation of these chords. Like we used to play, you were playing the chords also in the, we used to play the chords. See, we use these three keys basically.
Yes, sir.
These three keys are on the difference of C to D is one tone, gap of one tone, D to E gap of one tone, E to F there is no note between E and F. There is no note. That difference is known as semitone. As it is, F to G is a gap of one tone.
Sir, can you repeat what you were saying? What was the semitone?
Semitone. Semitone is the next note. Means the when there is no difference between, when there is no note between two notes. There is no note between two notes. See, E and F is not having any note between.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So that is you can say half note or semitone.
Yes, sir.
Half note or semitone. As we do semicircle and full circle is complete circle and semicircle is half circle. As it is, this is full note. This is the distance of full note, but this is the distance of half note. When we make a major chord, when we are making a major chord, there is a difference of C to E.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
we are making C major chord, C, E, G. C, E, G is the spelling of this chord. So what is the difference of C to E? That is one tone and one tone. Means Two tone. Total two tones are there between C to E. Two tone, and E to G, there is 1.5 tone. So
Yes, sir.
the combination of 2 plus 1.5 tone is known as major chord. So as it is, I'll explain you the minor chords and minor scales, major scales for ear training. You will develop your ear, means listening skill will be improved during the course of practice.
Yes, sir.
You are on the beginner level, we can say,
Yes,
but
sir.
we have to be with familiar with the chord system, so that our we will be able to play left hand and right hand simultaneously. Fine. Which model
Yes,
you
sir.
have? Which model do you have now?
Sir, this is Yamaha 363.
Fine. Fine. This is a good keyboard. So we will have, this is having 61 keys, 5 octaves are there in this keyboard.
Yes, sir.
5 octaves are there in this keyboard. We used to play from third octave for the middle octave, and for left hand we used to play first 2 octaves are used with left hand. So
Yes,
we
sir.
have to go with the major and minor chords. So let me explain you what are minor chords. Minor chords are the difference of 1.5 tone. Major chords are 2 tone, but minor chords are 1.5 tone plus 2 tone. These are minors.
Yes, sir.
So from each note, we will have to make all 12 notes are there in 1 octave. We have to make 12 minor chords and 12 major chords. Fine. 24 major and minor chords will be done. And after that, some other diminished chords and sustained chords will be there. That is the intermediate part of learning. Fine. So this way we will have to continue the classes. Anything else you want to inquire?
No, sir.
Over?
Yes, sir.
So this way we will continue the classes.
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. Sujit, you are not responding anywhere. Sujit Acharya. I'm just seeing your name only, but you are not responding.
Hello. Sorry,
Hello.
sir. I'm from Pigirad. I'm sorry.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yeah.
I thought one student, one
No,
more
no, no,
student is there.
no, no, no. They have.
Actually
Yes,
Abhishek
yes,
was
yes.
talking that 5 kids will to attend the class. Okay, no issues. Then
Thank you.
it's okay. Fine, thank you. Okay, Amlan, I think our demo session is over. Then we will meet in this class session. If you want
Yes,
to
sir.
ask anything, I am here. If you want to inquire anything, I am here.
Yeah, no, sir. No other queries.
Fine, thank you.
How to keep camera and all, just it
Yeah,
is.
sir. Sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, one query, sir. How do on the other classes you have to see the keyboard, right?
Yeah.
So, sir, can you tell me how do I adjust the camera?
Do you have tripod? Let me show you. Wait a moment. Do you have this kind of tripod? This is adjustable tripod. You can adjust your tripod. Can you see?
Sir, can you repeat?
Can you see this tripod?
Yes, sir, I can.
This tripod can be used, or you can you have to set your camera in front of you to show me the keyboard. Wait a moment. Let me. Listen. This is tripod.
Yes, sir.
We can adjust our camera like this. Let me show you. I am just taking your class on my laptop. We can adjust our camera like this. It can be turned anywhere, and it can be put on standing mode. You can put your camera anywhere, any side, it can be turned. If you have the tripod, or it can be easily available online, it can be easily purchased. You can set your
Yes.
camera, or you have to set manually by anything else, if you can. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So this will, I have to see your keyboard. I have to see your fingers, how you play. Otherwise, it will not be possible to make you understand all the things. Fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
see you in the class session.